Hi, I'm Eric Woodridge, engineering professor at Somerset Community College and director of the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCCS. And behind me is Kentucky's largest 3D printer. In fact, it's actually one of the largest 3D printers in the eastern US, capable of producing products that are 30 feet by 30 feet by 14 feet in volume. But what's really exciting is not the fact that it's just big, it's the fact that it produces structures in concrete. This is the type of printer that produces homes, commercial buildings, and a host of new concrete products. So we've been quietly working on this in a sort of a remote location in southern Kentucky, but we're about to reveal to the world what's happening with the technology, what we're doing, and to show you some of the creations that are in process. So we invite you to join us in this journey, to see what is possible with the technology, to see the process of going through building code approvals and bringing partners together and actually constructing structures. And it's not just us. Something like this is bigger than just us individually. It's a partnership with SCC, KCCS, funded by the USDA, the Appalachian Regional Commission, bringing in partners from industry, Pantheon Builders, Cobod, Tucker Building Industries, and even Ohio State University. We're all moving toward the same goal: the research, the materials, and what this technology can do. So again, we invite you to join us. Keep watching our channels, our upcoming posts, because it's going to be a very exciting next several months. And we're going to show not only what we're doing, but what the technology is possible and what's possible to be created. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.